Good morning, beautiful Earthlings. Welcome back to our channel. Yes. So now what we're gonna do, I'm planning to have breakfast, go to laundry because I don't have uniform anymore. As you can tell, I'm just wearing like a casual shirt and pants. But the first goal, probably lunch. I mean, probably there's something I can eat for breakfast. Um, they're in the Filipino Plaza. I'm wondering if I could find my car key. Yeah, so I'm gonna look for my car key for my trunk, because some of my soiled clothes are in there. Yep. Yeah. So I'm going to drive. I'll see you first in having breakfast. I chose choking. Probably soup and rice. Yeah, I think that will fill up me today. So let's eat.
Hi.
Longganisa, bangus.
Bangus longganisa? Or ano,
Just bangus.
double or single?
Single.
Single.
And wonton noodle soup.
Wonton noodles or beef
Soup.
wonton?
Just
With
just
beef
wonton.
wonton, okay. And you want to add siopaw on it or siomai?
How about asado?
Asado to. Oh,
And that's it.
and that's it. Or for you to go.
For here.
For you. Any drink? Wala kang drink?
No drink, just
No
water.
drink. Okay.
Avocado, wonton soup, and bangus for breakfast. Hi, what's up? What's up? I just watched Sabiana's Harakis. What's up, Sabbies?
What's up, Savvies?
But me, I don't have anything. Only what's up? Oh my gosh, it's so traffic. So we're allowed to park 2 hours max. Time check, I think it's almost like 9:30. We need to leave by 12 noon because today is Thursday. So we don't have street cleaning ticket. So let's go. Probably we're done with just in an hour. So it totaled to $13.50, and we're going to wait for 34 minutes. I set it up for warm, heavy foil and estrogen. Because I always do very delicate wash. Today is gonna do it like extra wash. So let's go to our truck for now while waiting. Okay, time check. It's 11:43 a.m. We made it, so we don't gonna have trouble with the street cleaning ticket before noontime here. So I'm heading. I think no. So far, I have 2 more errands to do. One is to drop off a giveaway to one of my coworkers way back a year ago, because I always see the bag and I'm not able to do it. But now today I need to do it. So finally, it's not in my sight. To Danica just excited that they have food delivery again. She's giving it away, so I'm gonna pick it up in San Mateo. Anything so far? That will be all for today. We're almost done. And we can unwind and relax around the dog. we're done with our errand. One more errand. So 2 more because Jenica is asking for a green mango and pork bun at Taraval from Mr. Bread. So I think since we're here, Sprouts is like around Westboro or something. Okay, let's do Taraval first. We're going to Mr. Bread. Mr. Bread. We have our 6 pork bun, check. So 1 more. That will be the green mango. Let's see if it's in Sprouts Market. Okay, there's mango. Now we're gonna see if it's hard. So 1 and then okay, 1 and then probably 2. So we have 2 mangoes. Check. So we have this mango now. We have this mango now, and we're heading to Jenica. Okay, it didn't record, so we got the box food from Jenica. Thank you. Okay, I'm heading home finally. I am sleepy.